Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check elevation on Google Maps. All right, you can do this on both iOS and Android. Just go ahead and open up your Google Maps, then tap on the search bar right here to find the place. Let's say, for example, I'm going to find Mount Apo here in the Philippines. All right here. As you can see here, in the app, you can't check the elevation. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead and open up our browser. All right, then type in Google Maps. All right, once you see this link right here, don't tap on it as it will just open up the Google Maps app. Now to open this link, just go ahead and tap and hold, then open a new tab. All right, as you can see here. Now once that's opened, we're gonna want to look for the place again. For example, Mount Apo right here. Now once you have that located and it is pinned right here in the Google Maps, just go ahead and tap on the three lines right here near the place. All right, then tap on terrain. All right, as you can see here, when we zoom in, you can see the numbers right here. All right, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.